Now Assist for Creator includes the playbook generation and recommendation skills to help us generate a playbook in Workflow Studio. These skills give generative AI capabilities to playbook authors who can provide an image or text input to create a playbook. On the Workflow Studio homepage, we'll create a new playbook. We can generate one using text, an image, or both. Let's say we need to generate a playbook for a company's recruitment process. Here's a flowchart of the process. You can generate playbooks from any clear image, whether it's a process sketched on a whiteboard, drawn on paper, or created in whiteboarding tools like Microsoft Visio or Lucidchart. We'll provide a name and upload the process image file. The text input is optional, but helpful for any additional context. We can also add it later. Now let's generate a preview. Our recruitment process playbook is generated. Now Assist has identified and included the best possible activities for this recruitment process in the playbook preview. Placeholders have been inserted for activities that cannot be determined. Note that the Prepare Offers stage is empty, without any activities. This is because the uploaded recruitment process image also didn't have an activity associated with this stage. To add activities, we'll simply add a text input and regenerate the playbook preview. Now Assist will use the uploaded image and the text input to create the preview. As you can see, the new preview has 3 new activities for the Prepare Offer stage. The ones in blue are actual activities, but the Finalize Offer Approval activity isn't. It's still a placeholder activity. We'll want to replace it with an actual activity. To do this, we click Save and Edit Playbook. Then, we select the Finalize Offer Approval placeholder. Next, we click the Now Assist icon to launch the recommendation feature and get suggested activities for the Finalize Offer Approval stage. We now have a list of recommended activities to choose from. Let's choose the first one and then save the playbook. The placeholder is now replaced with an actual activity. This video showed how Now Assist can help us generate a playbook using an image and select appropriate activities for any placeholders in our playbook. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.